Here we are with our kingdom Monera. The first kingdom in the 5 kingdom system of classification is kingdom Monera. What kind of organism are coming under this? Unicellular and prokaryotic. The organism which are having single cell plus not well defined nucleus is found. Those are comes under kingdom Monera. All the unicellular prokaryote. What is the sole member of this kingdom? Bacteria. Bacteria is basically the sole member, main member of this kingdom. Okay, and these are the microbes. Of course, there are lots of microbes. We are going to study about those. But bacteria are the microbes which are most abundant. सबसे ज़्यादा इस world में कौन सा microorganism है? Bacteria. And the most important characteristic, they are found in extreme habitat. किसी भी habitat में जाओ bacteria हर जगह. For your surprise, the bacteria which were found when the you can say जब शुरुआत वाले जो बैक्टीरिया थे जब लाइफ एग्जिस्टेंस में आई वो उस टाइप के बैक्टीरियाज अभी भी हैं. एनिमल्स अगर हम देखेंगे या फिर थोड़े से अदर एडवांस ऑर्गेनिज्म डिसअपियर हो गए, बहुत सारे एग्जिस्टेंस में नहीं है. बट द बैक्टीरियाज विच वर इन द बिगनिंग व्हेन लाइफ स्टार्टेड, वो बैक्टीरियाज उस टाइप के अभी भी हैं, दोज बैक्टीरियाज. सो व्हाई रीजन दे कैन सर्वाइव इन एक्सट्रीम हैबिटेट. कोई भी हैबिटेट हो हर जगह सर्वाइव करेंगे. सो कौन कौन से एक्सट्रीम हैबिटेट? हॉट स्प्रिंग्स. हॉट स्प्रिंग्स मतलब 200-300 डिग्री तक टेम्परेचर अगर स्प्रिंग्स का है वहाँ भी बैक्टीरियाज कैन सर्वाइव. Desert, we know that desert climate, desert habitat is extreme. दिन में जितना ही गर्म रात में ठंडा भी होता है. So in that climate, in that habitat also bacteria are able to survive. Snow, ice cold, polar regions, minus में temperature, 0 से बहुत below, 40-50 तक below, they can survive. Then deep ocean, ocean के अंदर बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनिज्म सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते बट बैक्टीरियाज आर एबल टू सर्वाइव. एंड इंटरेस्टिंग, दे आर फाउंड एज पैरासाइट्स इन द लिविंग बॉडी. हमारे बॉडी के अंदर, हमारे माउथ के अंदर, फूड के अंदर, अदर प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, सब के अंदर दे आर एबल टू सर्वाइव. सो दे लिव्स एज पैरासाइट्स. ओके, नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ बैक्टीरिया ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ शेप. So there are mainly 4 types of bacteria on the basis of shape. First one is spherical. Spherical means what? Like a ball, like a ball, like a sphere. So this kind of shape is called coccus. Spherical shaped bacteria are called coccus. Coccus is singular word and cocci is the plural. Then next is rod shaped bacteria. It is like a rod. You can say like this. This is like a rod. So rod shaped bacteria, singular is we can say as bacillus and plural bacilli. Next is comma shaped, like a comma. This is what? Comma. So comma shaped bacteria, those are Vibrium, singular Vibrium and plural is Vibrio. So comma shaped bacteria, the third shape. Then the fourth one, spiral. Spiral, you might have seen the spiral binding books, notebooks, registers, etc. So spiral shaped, spirillum, like a spring. Okay, so that is the shape. Spirillum is the singular and spirilla is the plural. So all these are types of bacteria on the basis of its shape, and of course all these are single cell. And one thing important about bacteria, these are very simple in structure. We know these are unicellular. So unicellular में complexity कहाँ से आएगी? आ नहीं सकती. Simple in structure, but behavior में बहुत ही complex है. The behavior of bacteria are very complex. It differs. Habitat to habitat, it differs. Its nature differs. Its nature is complex. Few bacteria are autotrophic, few are heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means that might be decomposers, that might be, you can say, parasites. And autotrophic bacteria which can prepare its food. That might be photoautotrophic, sunlight के through food बनाते हैं. That might be chemoautotrophic, chemicals use करके they are able to prepare its food. So bacteria are, they show complex in their behavior. Their nature is complex, their nature is different, not easy, not simple. We'll study more about bacteria into its different, how we can categorize, how we can divide the kingdom Monera, all the bacteria into two parts that we'll study in the next class. Those two parts are archaebacteria and eubacteria. Okay, bacteria can be, Moneras can be divided into two parts, archae and eubacteria.